Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a new nail art design. As you can see on the screen, it's very easy to do. So let's get started. First we'll apply a gel polish to our nails. It's important to note that gel polish is different from regular polish. Here is how to do it. Apply the gel polish all over your nail, making sure not to leave any spots uncovered. Make sure to apply a thick layer because we won't be doing a second coat. We are only applying one layer of gel polish, so it's need to be done properly and evenly. Take your time with this step to ensure a smooth and even application. Once done, we can move on to the next part of our nail art design. Next, we will use a different gel polish. I have chosen white, but you can pick any color you like. With a thin brush, start forming a circle on your nail. As you make the circle, leave enough space in the middle for the design we will do in the next part. The certain part should stay empty for now. Create 4 or 5 circles on your nail as shown in the video. Make sure each circle is thick and visible. Take your time to make the circle neat and evenly spread. Once you have done that, your nail should look like the example in the video. Moving on to the next step, now let's add inner circle using black gel polish. Here is how. Create inner circle using a thin brush. Create smaller circles inside each white circle. Use a clean inner circle. Make sure the inner circle are clean and distant. Repeat the steps we did with the white gel polish, but this time with black gel polish. The black circle should be smaller but still thick and visible. Take your time to ensure these inner circles are neat and clearly visible inside the white circles. Once done, your nail art should look just like the example in the video. Once done with the black circle, next we will add some glitter to the middle of each circle. You can use any glitter you like. I have chosen chunky glitter. Place the glitter, put a drop of glitter in the middle of the blank gel polish area inside each circle. Make sure the glitter covers the entire inner circle. This step adds some sparkle to your design and make it look even more beautiful. Final touch, now finish up the design. With a toothpick, rejoin the circle from the edge to the corner of the nail. The design will automatically form. On the outer corner and the part of the circle, move the toothpick in a wavy motion to give it a nice stroke effect. Place the design under UV light for 30 seconds to let it dry. Apply a top shiny coat all over the nail, then again place it under UV light for another 30 seconds. This will give a shiny effect to your nail design. And that's it. Your beautiful nail design is complete in just a few seconds. If you enjoyed watching this video, do like, share, subscribe to my channel and stay updated about such videos in future. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.